Hey, in this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram security code not received issue that you might be getting when you're logging in or resetting your password or whatever. This guide and method works on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead, like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is obviously go on Instagram, and the first thing you want to do is swipe up and make sure this is not the moon option is not turned on. If it's turned on, you won't get notifications. So maybe you're getting the Instagram security code, but you're not seeing it. Another thing you can do is go over to your settings, and from there you want to go down to phone, this option right here. And you want to make sure everything is set up correctly and you have incoming calls, you have no blocked calls, you have no blocked contacts, because maybe you're blocking the Instagram's phone number. Another thing you can do is go down to messages, and for messages you want to make sure that iMessage is on, and when you go down you have this option turned off, filter unknown centers. You want to have it on. And that's pretty much all you can do. If this video helped you out, give me a like. If you're still having issues, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.